So people with moon in the sign of Aries will enter their first phase of Sarisati on 29th March, as Saturn will be transiting in your 12th house from your moon, which is the sign of Pisces. So what all can you expect during this particular time? For this particular video, also keep in your mind where your Saturn is placed. Okay? If your Saturn is well placed in your chart, then the negative effect that I'm going to talk about will be far more less. Okay, so let's start. So, first of all, Saturn will be 12th from your moon. 12th house is the house of losses, it's the house of hospitals, expenditures. So, definitely, this particular 2.5 years are not good regarding your health. You can repeatedly go to hospitals for your checkup. Your health can deteriorate to a lot of extent, and also because it's the house of losses, you can invest your money in things which can give you lot of loss. And also because from its first aspect, it is looking at your second house of wealth, it is making a direct correlation with the 12th house and the second house, which is again giving a very clear indication that do not invest your money blindly, and do not give your money to anybody without thinking, otherwise you'll not get that money back, that's for sure. Okay, so keep your money saved so that whatever health problems you are going to face right now, you can have enough finances to deal with it. Okay, now if your Saturn is well placed, or your ascendant lord is strong, your Jupiter is in your first house, Jupiter is well placed, then those health issues will not be so much. But if your ascendant lord is also weak and Saturn is also not well placed, it is naturally malefic in your chart, then these effects will be more profound. Now, talking about the second aspect of Saturn, which will be on your sixth house. Sixth house is again the house of obstacles, it's the house of diseases. So, during these 2.5 years, you will be very frustrated because anything that you do, you will encounter an obstacle. The things will be really slow, work will be really slow, and obviously, the sixth house is the house of diseases also. So, again, the health setback that I'm talking about, it is giving clear indication about that also. Now, one thing you have to understand that Aries is the debilitation sign of Saturn. So here the Salisati is far more harsh than any other moon sign. So you have to be very careful with all these changes that I'm talking about. Now, the third aspect is on your ninth house. This is a good aspect because here Saturn will teach you the real value of spirituality, the real value of your relationship with God. During these 2.5 years, you'll come really close to your uh, spiritual values. You'll become really close to God, and you will understand what is the true essence of spirituality, and that will really help you in later on in your life. So, in that particular sense, it is really good. Now, it is looking at the ninth house. So, if you have the dasha lot of ninth house very prevalent in your chart right now, you can also meet your spiritual master. Okay, so these are the effects in totality. Now, to counter these effects, the best remedy is obviously to be very humble and to always be eager to learn more and more. And the other remedy is obviously the Abhishek of Shivling with cow milk, that will help you a lot during these 2.5 years. So, if you like this video, please like this, share this video to others, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos.